Today, I'll show you how to make a slideshow on Google Docs, and more importantly, what you actually need to use instead. A lot of people open Google Docs expecting to build a slide deck the same way they would in a traditional presentation program, and then get confused when the tools they need just aren't there. So in this tutorial, we'll clear that up and walk step by step through the proper way to create a slideshow using Google's tools. First, it's important to understand a key limitation. You cannot create real slideshow style slides directly inside Google Docs. Google Docs is designed for text documents like reports, essays, and letters. While you can insert images, tables, and simple layouts, it doesn't have slide-based features like transitions, speaker notes, or dedicated layout templates for presentations. Instead, Google provides a separate app specifically for slideshows called Google Slides. If you want a proper presentation with individual slides, animations, and the ability to present full screen, you'll need to use Google Slides rather than Docs. The good news is that Google Slides is part of the same ecosystem, looks familiar, and works right in your browser. To get started, open Google Slides. You can do this in a few ways. One simple method is to go to your browser and type in the Google Slides URL, or open Google Drive, click the new button, and choose Google Slides from the list. If you're already in another Google app like Docs or Sheets, you can also use the app launcher, the grid icon in the top corner, and select Slides from there. Once you open it, you'll see the Slides homepage with templates and recent presentations. From here, choose whether you want a blank presentation or one of the pre-made templates. Templates can save time because they include coordinated colors, fonts, and layouts, but you can always customize everything later. After you open a presentation, you'll see the first slide on the main canvas and a slide list on the left side. Now create your slides and add content. To add a new slide, click the plus icon above the slide list. If you want a specific layout like a title and content layout or a two-column layout, use the little arrow next to the plus icon to choose one. Click in the text boxes to type your titles and main points. You can change fonts, sizes, and colors using the toolbar at the top, just like in Google Docs. To insert images, click the Insert menu and choose Image. You can upload from your computer, search the web, or pull from Google Drive. You can also add shapes, charts, diagrams, and even videos to make your slideshow more engaging. Drag elements around the slide to arrange them, and use the guidelines that appear to help align objects neatly. As you build your deck, move slides up or down in the list on the left by dragging them into the order you want. You can duplicate a slide if you like a specific layout and want to reuse it, or delete slides you no longer need. When you're ready to share your work, you can either present or export as needed. To present, click the Present button in the top right corner. This opens your slideshow full screen, ready for a live presentation or screen share. Use the arrow keys or on-screen controls to move through your slides. If you need a file to send or upload, you can export the presentation. Open the File menu, choose Download, and pick a format like PowerPoint or PDF. This lets you use your slideshow in other programs or share it with people who prefer downloads. And that's all there is to it. While you can't build a true slideshow directly in Google Docs, using Google Slides gives you all the tools you need to create, present, and share a polished presentation.